Our next example wants us to draw an orbital diagram for phosphorus. Phosphorus has 15 electrons. And again, it wants us to draw an orbital diagram. So what this means is that we want to start with the 1s, again using the periodic table or the Aufbau diagram, it's up to you. And then we're going to draw either a circle or a box or a line, some sort of container to represent our orbital. And in our orbital, we're going to put in our 2 electrons, one spin up, one spin down. So now we move on to the 2s. Again, you can draw these as boxes or circles. I'm just drawing them as lines. That electron, or that sublevel, excuse me, can also hold 2 electrons. Again, only one orbital, one up, one down, assigned to that orbital. Now we come to the 2p. The 2p is going to represent 3 orbitals because the maximum capacity here is 6. And if I put 6 electrons in, that will only bring me to 10, so I'm good. I can keep kind of doing this and working over. So I've put 10 electrons in so far. I need to get to 15, so I want to keep going. So if I look on the periodic table, the place I go next is back to the S block, the 3s. Aufbau diagram also tells us to go to the 3s. And so we would put 2 electrons here as well. And then I would move to the 3p. Now if I tally up my electrons here, sometimes it's nice to make a little note of kind of how many you have. That's 2, that's a total of 4, that's a total of 10, total of 12. So up through the 3s, we're up to 12 electrons. We need to put in 3 more to get to 15. So 3p out here. And so according to Hund's rule, we want to make sure that we put these last 3 electrons all spin up.